In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the ear tips of the Oraimo FreePods 4. So the Oraimo FreePods 4 come with 3 sizes, small, medium and large, but the process is the same. So just grab an earbud. Then what you want to do is to just pull this gently up so that it's flowering on the outside. And once it's like this, then you can just pinch, twist and pull. So just pinch, twist and pull, and then it will be removed like that. Then grab a different tip, so for example this one, and unflower it like so. Then put it onto the pod and just make sure that it's put on completely. Then once you've inserted it, you can just now push it back like so, and you have successfully changed the tip. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.